So, sorry, Max. No. Hey guys, and by the way, Max is my dog, grandma's dog, and like it's 2 in the morning. And Max snores. Yes, I said right. Snores. And they're just saying that because they could try to get a video or the Gaudi video. I don't know. And that's all for today. And make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell to get post notifications if you did not know what that meant.